So once you've wiped down the entire elevator, the Swiffer pad, microfiber cloth, little degreaser, you're going to want to let it sit so it dries. Once it's dried, stainless steel polish, dry microfiber cloth, spraying the polish directly on the cloth, never onto the stainless steel. Working your way from the top, the stainless steel, down to the bottom. Starting at the top, getting in the corners, and going across with the grain, and polishing the stainless steel. Not like this, not like this, but with the grain, because this up here and getting right in the corners, down, and go around and just polish all the stainless steel, starting from the top, working your way down to the bottom of the cab. All the nooks and crannies, all the bits and pieces, making it all nice and shiny. Top of the door frame, side of the door frame, just pulling down like this and like this. That way you don't leave any lint. You get all of the stainless steel and you give it that nice polish. Pulling all the way down the bottom, just like that. All right. Getting up in the corners, all the way down the center. Underneath here. Getting the handrails, tops. So the top part here is polished, the bottom part here is not polished, and you can see the difference. Push down, like that, and got a nice polish on there. Stainless steel polish, microfiber cloth. Once again, same as the all-purpose cleaner or the degreaser. Never spray directly on the buttons. Always spray on the cloth. Start at the top. Go with the grain. Pull down. Give it a nice even polish. Okay. It's super important to do this. This way it keeps it nice and even. It also keeps the lint from clinging onto the stainless steel. So you get a nice polish. Panel, just slowly work your way through, going around the buttons. Just keeping an eye on the stainless steel. You can be able to tell when you need to spray the cloth again. Once it's starting out, it doesn't cover it fully. Spray, give this a little squeeze, get it mixed in, and again, pulling down. Right, all the way down to the bottom. Getting it to see the corner here. Before and after. Get the polish on the stainless steel. So it all looks nice and uniform. Clean. No lint. No streaks. Ooh. Pushing our way in through the buttons on the panel. Don't have to push too hard. run straight across on the bottom here. Make sure the door frame's all done. Wow, nice and clean. Not missing this inside stainless steel frame here, the sliding door, which is super important. So last but not least, again, spraying on the cloth, mixing it in a little bit, and want to get around the bottom edge, stainless steel. So we're just going to go around the bottom like this, make sure that it's clean. Polished.
So it's super important that you get the inside of the elevator door, so you got to make sure that it's closed and then give it a really good polish. If you don't do this, then when it does close, it's going to look all smudged.